And there it is, the bell for round one. The fighters come out the center of the ring, looking at each other. Rocky looks at Creed. Creed looks at Rocky. This is going to be a match of the century. Apollo starts with some jab. It looks like Rocky can only block with his head. The champs, although fast, doesn't look like he's better everywhere.
The champ is toying with his man. Trying to give the fans their money's worth.
The hits continue, and Rocky keeps on blocking with his face.
He's making a show out of it. He's enjoying it. This is why we love him. This is why we hate him. Just look at him. Toying with an outmatched challenger right now. Trying to make this man miss the first one. That keeps going. He's dancing around. Oh! I don't believe it. The champ is down.
Read it down. What a surprise this is. This is the first time the champ has ever been knocked down.
4, 5, 6.
He looks surprised. He's fine. He's okay. Everything's good. Come on, Rocky. Go for the ribs. Hit the body. Rocky's coming back. Now he's clearly going for the victory.
Alright, he's coming to the floor now. Left, down, up. Another left connecting the face. And that's the Apollo we all know. Apollo's coming back at full force and he has him in the corner.
Oh, look at him. Now he's pounding him. What a cocky bastard. And Apollo's greatest hit album continues. He kept on dropping those records on Rocky. Left, right. Oh, God. Oh, man. He almost got him there.
You have nothing.
Oh, this is getting exciting. I can't believe it. Look at the champ. He's desperate. I never expect to see him like this.
What are you talking about? You don't know the champ. You know he's gonna win. He's the best.
Perhaps you're right, my friend.
Oh, a fucking punch. I never thought I'd get to see that again, man. Oh. Rocky don't even know why I hit him. I told you.
Your nose is broken.
Oh, the loo.
Yeah, it's an improvement.
I want you to stop chucking and jabbing. I want you to stick and move.
Go for the ribs. Don't let that bastard breathe.
This guy's great. He doesn't know this is a damn show. He thinks this is a damn fight. Finish is done. Let's go home.
Stay in the body. The body. What a great match these two men are giving the audience. Here we go again. Apollo got knocked down the first, and now he's coming back at full force. He's giving us what we came for. Rocky's holding back. He's giving us some love. He's giving you what you want. He's giving the audience something to get excited, something to get a bonus. Look at it. He's pulling back. He's pulling. He's about to whoop a lasagna.
And Apollo's giving Rocky the machine gun. Left, right. Up your face.
Rocky's one tough bastard. He wants more. He wants more of Apollo. He's gonna have it. Oh, man.
You folks watching in the audience, you folks watching TV, this is a very lot of to watch. I can't believe I'm already voting it. Match of the year.
And Balboa trying to fight back. He got him. He got him in the round. Oh, man, look at Rocky. Hit him. He got him. Oh, we gotta get out of this one. Oh, man.
He's knocking the champ out of nowhere.
Stop it. Hey, get back to your corner. Stop. Come on, quit. This is more excited than having sex with my wife.
right combination. Left, right. Balboa's body must be stinging. Look at these warriors fighting to death just for your entertainment.
Oh man. Rocky defenseless now.
Oh, the champ has that magnificent pose as he pulls Rocket on the floor in dirt.
Stay down.
Just the hands right up in the air and he just don't care.
7, 8, 9. Fight. Rocky does not give up. He is gonna give up everything.
Rocky, here, Apollo, right in the ribs. Oh, what a tremendous fight this has been. You okay, champ? I'm okay. Can't see nothing, gotta open my eye. Cut me, Mick.
You don't want to
Come
do
on,
it.
cut me.
Okay.
Cut me.
Try it. Cut it. My God.
You're bleeding inside, champ. I'm gonna stop the fight.
You won't stop me nothing, man. You won't stop me nothing.
You start this fight, I'll kill you.
All right.
I'm
Get
going.
You wanna go? Go. Kick his ass, Rocky. You gotta give it all. You gotta give him everything. Come on, kick his ass, Rocky. Lay the smacker down.
The crowd is going wild. We have finally reached the final round.
They look like they have been on a war, these two. We have been through a lot this past time here. We discovered a lot of things. Now it's time to end this.
Some bombazo. The champ is letting him have it.
But if you look closely, he's trying to protect the right side of his bridge. It's very damaged.
Rocky don't care. Watch him concentrate his left and right on that rib.
Oh, is that blood coming out? Oh, he's spilling blood.
There goes Rocky again for the rib.
What a triumphant hit.
Go for the victory, Rocky.
Listen to the crowd as they go wild. Again, to the ring. Rocky's going for the kill. Oh, again, the champion, Apollo. There ain't gonna be no rematch.
Don't want one.